Ever wondered how those captivating motion videos are brought to life? Well, today, we dive into the step-by-step process of creating a professional motion video. First off, every great motion video starts with an idea. It's the creative spark that sets everything in motion. So, brainstorm, sketch, and jot down concepts until you find one that truly resonates. Once the idea is crystal clear, the next step is to create a storyboard. A storyboard is a visual representation of your video, scene by scene. It's where you decide what happens in each frame, helping to map out the flow and sequence of your motion video. Now, it's time to write the script. The script is the backbone of your video. It's where you detail the actions, dialogues, and narration. Remember, a well-written script makes for a compelling video. Having the script in hand, you move on to the design phase. This is where you create the elements you'll animate later. You can use a variety of tools from Photoshop to Illustrator. Just ensure that each element aligns with the overall aesthetic of your video. Next, you animate. This is where the magic happens and your ideas come to life. Using animation software like After Effects, you can animate your elements, add transitions, and sync everything with your audio. After animating, it's time for a bit of polish. This involves adding sound effects, music, and voiceovers. This is also the moment to tweak and adjust elements to perfection. Finally, you render your video. Rendering is the process of exporting your video into a format that can be shared and viewed. So to recap, creating a professional motion video involves several key steps. It begins with an idea, followed by creating a storyboard and writing the script. Then you design your elements, animate them, polish your video with sound and adjustments, and lastly, you render your video. Remember, each step is crucial in its own way, and skipping one might hinder the quality of the final product. So, invest time in each stage, and you'll be creating professional motion videos before you know it. Creating a motion video might seem like a daunting task, but with practice and patience, you'll master the process. So go ahead, ignite that creative spark, and start creating your very own motion videos.